restoring confidence when negatively impacted. In this relaxation practice, I am going to share how meditation can help restore feelings of confidence that might have been negatively impacted over time. Many survivors of very difficult circumstances will get to this stage in this mindfulness path with an even stronger sense of themselves and a deeper appreciation for their own resourcefulness. But trauma and deep internal challenges can leave its mark on confidence, attitudes, relationships, and behavior long after the core wound has healed. This relaxation exercise can help you to feel more confidence in yourself, restoring you to your own original authenticity. Over time, you may have developed a tendency to over-monitor everything in your experience, looking out for signs of danger, harm, or anything unpleasant. Of course, it's healthy to look out for danger, but it can be unhealthy if we are not balancing it out by remembering the 99% of the time when we are actually okay in each present moment. So, if you learn to acknowledge your monitoring without letting it take over, you will stop undermining your confidence in your current state of okayness. By opening up to and bringing mindfulness to all of these positive states of being throughout your day, your sense of self-confidence will grow bit by bit, drop by drop, until your water bucket of self-confidence is full and embodied. The more you open up to your sense of being okay in this moment, moment by moment, the more your nervous system will relax, the more embodied you will feel, and the more internal resources you will feel are available to you. By also bringing mindfulness to more and more moments of safety, health, happiness, and peace, you will automatically increase self-confidence with you and feel more confident about others. Remember, you are okay in this moment. You are safe in this moment. If you are breathing, then there is more right than wrong with you. When you are present, you have resources to choose how you relate to your experience. And now, allow yourself to feel strong and confident. When you begin doubting yourself, return back to the strong you. Reconnect with your intention of wisdom and compassion in the face of difficulties. You can continue with one experience, playing it through multiple times. You can also try working with a different situation or event. Just continue to connect with the strength you have within you. Remember to breathe deeply and watch for anxiety and worry. Just take your time. Excellent. Well done. I hope you feel more confident about yourself in this moment. To recap, trauma can leave its mark on confidence, attitudes, relationship, and behavior long after the core wound has healed. You may have developed a tendency to over-monitor everything in your experience, looking out for signs of danger, harm, or anything unpleasant. By opening up to and bringing mindfulness to all of the positive states of your being throughout your day, your sense of self-confidence will grow bit by bit. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you for your mindfulness practice.